Did you know that a clean home can sell up to 20% faster? For realtors, cleanliness isn't just a chore, it's the secret sauce for success. Enter TidyTex Home Cleaning, a veteran-owned service dedicated to making your property shine. Our reliable team specializes in transforming homes to impress potential buyers, ensuring that every space feels welcoming and inviting. Fast turnarounds? Absolutely. We know timing is everything, and our expert cleaners are here to help you prepare properties for open houses and viewings with meticulous care. Picture this: your listings looking pristine, helping buyers envision their new life. For realtors, a simple tidy tip: open all blinds and turn on lights before a showing. This little trick makes spaces feel brighter and more inviting, showcasing a home's best features. With TidyTex, you're not just getting a cleaning service, you're gaining a partner in your sales journey. Ready to elevate your listings and close deals quicker? Check the video description for our website, phone number, and email. Contact us today to learn how TidyTex can make your properties stand out.